Next project, I've got a pair of these. These are the bumper spacers, so I'm two missing. So I'm going to try and cast them. Some damp sand, some aluminium, see what happens. That's come out the sand fairly cleanly. I've just weighed this is 100 grams, and I've got a bit of extrusion here, and that weighs 150 grams. Because I haven't got the holes, I've got to make up the holes there, so that should be enough. The old and the new, and that's quite acceptable, I would say. So do the easy one now, which is that little baby one. There's the imprint, and this is my setup. Baked bean tin. And I've got a torch on the top, and then I've got a little torch on the bottom. It takes about 5 minutes. This one here filled up, the mould filled up a little bit too much. But I managed to just get a piece of steel and just scrape off the surplus aluminium. So, interesting little project. So if anybody wants a cylinder head casting or something, let me know.